Who is it?
Hello!
Hello! What's in here, Roman? So this is the downstairs bathroom. We were going to make this a proper bougie bog and do like blacks and golds. Then we found out we were pregnant with Roman, so we just kept it subtle and we went with like a taupe colour and some woods and some foliage. We got Roman a little stoop so that he can wash his hands now. Show people how you do your hands. Then we go wash, 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 wash. Now through to the kitchen. So we did a whole YouTube video on the redecoration of this wall. This will be different from the first video that we uploaded. So we popped these shelves up. I did have herbs in these, but I can't keep plants alive. So they now are dedicated to the fruit. So we now also are proud owners of this very sleek baby gate. Everything dangerous for baby Roman is that side of the gate. Front door, toilet, stairs, cooker, dishwasher, knives. So we thought, you know what, let's block it off. So, as you all are probably aware, I'm very pregnant now and I'm in full-on nesting mode. So, we got a new sofa and that just sparked it for me, and then I had to get everything new. So we got a new table. We were going to get new dining room chairs, but we decided to keep the chairs we had, which are grey, and just get these seat covers. They're like chenille material. And yeah, we've got matching ones for the bar stools, and we're going to go for like a more of a farmhousey chic vibe with the woods rather than the greys, because the grey was a bit cold. And we are going to look to get a new mirror, but that can wait. So here's the new sofa. It is actually a U, so there is another 1, 2, 3 that goes down this side, but it was very sofa heavy in here as a U, so maybe we'll pop it as a U for Christmas when we have lots of guests over. But this is big enough for us, all three of us. In Roman's little corner, so we've still got the same matting. I'm not sure if this was here in the last video. We moved the sofa up slightly so that Roman had more room to play. These are the Kallax units from IKEA. The boxes on the left are also from IKEA. They are the lab sale boxes, and the belly baskets are from B&M. Yeah, that's Roman's little area, and it's nice because we can just pop it all away at the end of the day and it still feels quite grown up in here. We changed quite a lot out here. New builds are notorious for having terrible gardens. And if you want to see our garden tour, then have a look at the video over here. This is my son playing with stones, putting stones in his Christmas tree. So this hasn't changed, this is still from the old sofa set, but we kept it just because it sort of fits quite nicely into this corner. I wouldn't know what else to do with this corner, so we kept it. We are going to be getting a bamboo basket for the blankets, but currently it's a silver one. As you can see, I've already started with the autumn vibe. This is my first autumn decoration. I'm a big autumn fan. Christopher is a summer lover, but that's not me. We're going to change the clock, but we just can't find the one that we're actually keen on at the moment. So then moving on over to here. We originally had these grey shelves, but they looked quite busy and they didn't sort of match the rest of the farmhouse vibe, so we swapped them out for wooden ones. And now I'll pass you on to Chris, who's going to do upstairs.
Roman, do you want to go and show me your room?
Yeah?
Coming in, let's go up. This is your room. We've recently changed this room. Roman thought it was a great idea to start jumping over the side of his cot. So it started as a normal cot with all four sides on. Now we've taken one of the sides off. It's like a big boy bed. And also we're going to be switching rooms as well. So me and Liz are going to be coming into here, and baby girl and Roman are going to be going into that room eventually. We'll put a video up of the room transformations. I've got some of baby girl's clothes and our two prints. Up here we've got a spare bed. This pulls out into a double. We're probably going to have to lose this soon anyway. And then we've got fitted wardrobes. Say fitted, they are just from IKEA. We've got someone to build them for us. Along with taking the side off his beds, we put these safety locks on because you know he's going to be climbing in the wardrobes in the middle of the night. We put trunking on the wire to the TV because he will try and pull it off the wall. And now the trunking's up, all the wires are secure. Lastly, we put the baby gate on so he can't come and slap us in the face in the middle of the night. So that's bedroom 1, and then it's upstairs bathroom. There's not much we've had to do in here really. New build bathroom seems to be quite nicely decorated, so we've just added some black accessories, so the towels and this black photo frame here. We installed this wall mirror as well, and the last thing in here is just the black unit that we put in as well. And then the last room of the house is our bedroom. I say our bedroom, but it's not going to be our bedroom for long. We're going to be splitting this room into two. At the moment, me and Liz are in this room, but where you're looking at now is going to be one bedroom. We're going to put a wall right down the middle, and this is going to become a box room for baby girl. Check out the next videos on our end screen for our baby room makeover and garden renovation.